All right. So we're here now. Meeting is being recorded. So guys, I want you to put something in the chat box if you can see my screen. You can see my screen. I want to see something in the chat box. Just put something in the chat box. If you can see my screen, put something in the chat box. Put something in the chat box if you can see my screen. Type on the chat if you can see my screen. Oh yes, I can see some people. All right. So I believe everybody can see my screen. So I quickly want to just introduce everything we do to the new people because I know I have some new persons on this call, and I want them to grasp what exactly we do and how we do it. All right. So first things first, HFX in itself is high frequency forex, right? And just the way we know what forex is foreign exchange. And Forex itself is the largest financial market in the world. And Forex turns over $3 billion every day. It's the largest financial market in the world. And Forex itself, foreign exchange, just the way it's said, exchange. You exchange one currency for another currency. Right. In the time past, in the days of old, exchange has been in existence. But yeah, usually barter system, you bring goods and give me yam and like that, exchange basically. So but here we do exchange, and we do exchange in currencies. That is the foreign exchange market. That's what it's all about. And like I said, or I've been saying, that is what the banks do. Take your money, buy currency when it's low, and sell the currency when it's high. That is basically what the forex market is about. So in HFX, what we do is the same thing. We buy the market when it's low, sell the market when it's high. But we do this in minutes, and the system is binary. The system is binary, which implies you have two options: either you win or you lose. So the system has two options: you win or you lose. It's binary. It is not what do they call margin trading like the usual forex. So we do this in minutes, in a space of 3, 4, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. The maximum is 30 minutes. The maximum time is 30 minutes. So, but then on the HFX arena, none of the educators take more than 5 minutes trade. So we go into the market. For instance, we have a currency pair, say USD JPY, that's United States dollar and Japanese yen. Now, what we do is we go into the market with a prediction that in the next 3 minutes, the price of USD will increase beyond the entry points we got into it. So say we enter the market at 550. Now we are predicting that market price or the market or price action will work its way upward above the point we entered the market. So we enter the market at 550 and market comes to 551 in the next 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes at our expiration time. If it goes above, we have made profits. And if it stays below, we have made losses. And that is what it is. It is binary. Two options: either you win or you lose. Either you make profit or you lose profit. You lose your capital or your equity. That is basically what the market do. But then we tend to earn from the financial market or from the forex market or through the HFX market by indicators and strategies. Those indicators and strategies help us accurately predict what the price action will do. So indicators, strategies helps us know when to go into the market and when to leave the market. And that is why the HFX arena is here. The HFX arena has been put together to equip her members with the requisite skill, knowledge that is required to trade high frequency Forex. And just the way we educate you, we also give you live trading ideas. And we do this every day, Monday to Friday, working days. Whenever the market is open, we are in the market. So we have sessions, live trading sessions like this, live trading sessions like this, 8 a.m. Mondays to Fridays, 10 a.m. Mondays to Fridays. Then on Tuesday to Thursdays, we have 6 a.m. as well, inclusive. So Tuesdays, we have 3 sessions. Wednesdays, we have 3 sessions. Thursdays, we have 3 sessions. Right. So the HFX Arena helps you get this knowledge. Now, the HFX Arena is not free, right? We pay a membership subscription of $50 per month to get this education, to get this training, to get live trade ideas, right? The signals. So you pay just $50 per month to get these. Now, for you to take these trades or these ideas that educators call out for you, you don't take them on the HFX Arena's website. No, you take them on a broker or a brokerage service. Now, a brokerage service is a financial service company that allows you enter the Forex market. It allows you, hold a second, sorry. I want to invite someone to join because it will just be a lot better. Sorry guys, hold a second. Right. Yes, like I was saying, you do not take trades on the HFX Arena's website. You take trade on a brokerage service or a broker. Now, like I said, a broker is a financial service organization that allows you go into the foreign exchange market. So a broker lets you see the various currencies and helps you go into the market. I mean, I'll show everybody all of this. I'll show you how this works. Right. So let me quickly show you the website, the HFX Arena. Just open a new tab, the hfxarena.com. So if you're new, sorry, that's a mistake. So if you're new, you want to get to the hfxarena.com and sign up or register. This is the website. So you register on the hfxarena.com, you register your name, your email address, you put in all your credentials. And if you're logged in already, I mean, if you have an account, all you just do is log in. Once you log in, it brings you to your dashboard. Now, when you are signed in on the HFX Arena, you have a wallet. Now, can you see my balance is 0? Right now, the HFX Arena is having a 2 weeks free session or educative session where you have access to the paid membership. You have access to everything the paid members have for 2 weeks, and it's ending on the 29th of July. So it has some 10 days to go. Right. So on the 29th of July, everyone is expected to renew their subscription or activate a membership subscription. Now, like I mentioned, the HFX Arena is not free. We are only doing this to help and encourage people. So, and it's going to end on the 29th of this month. So when you signed into, when you sign up on the HFX Arena, you want to come here to deposit. When you get on deposit, what you want to do is put in the amount you want to deposit. So you want to deposit $50. The membership is $50 per month. So now you pick payment gateway, you want to do bank transfer or you want to do Flutterwave payment, whichever one you want to do, and you click deposit. So now it gives you these details for bank transfer. You transfer the exact exchange rate, the amount you're paying. So if you are doing $50, the exchange rate here is 600. So, and that is 30,000 naira here. So, but please, when you are making your deposit, make sure you use the reference number. It is unique for every transaction. That is how the admin will know to to add your account up. So once you've deposited into that, your account will be funded. So let's say you have $50 here. So the next thing you want to do is come to membership, then you activate this. So when you activate this, you have it for 30 days. You have access to educational video hub, weekly educational sessions, live trade ideas sent weekly, minimum of 5 live trade sessions per week. We do more than 15 sessions in a week. We do more than 15 in a week. So guys, that's basically how to navigate the HFX Arena website. So you need to sign up. When you sign up, if you're new and you've not signed up, when you sign up, you will receive email that details how you can benefit from the free 2 weeks that we are doing currently. So sign up, you get an email and you will receive all the directive there. That is the HFX Arena. Like I said, it helps you get the requisite knowledge and skill on how to trade HFX. But you don't take the trades on the hfxarena.com. You take the trades on a brokerage service. Now, this is a broker. This is what the broker looks like. Now, this is what a broker looks like. Now, if you come to this, if you see this left-hand panel, you will see there are currencies here, currency pairs. This is USD JPY. That's United States dollar, Japanese yen. Now, what we do in this market is this. Can you see where the price is? This is what we call a price action. This is the price action. It moves upward and downward. It's currently at 0.47. Can you see it? This one that is it is pink. Is it pink? Orange in color. Now, can you see it's at 0.47? Now the price action moves upward and down. Can you see it has pulled up? It moves upward and it moves downward. So what we do is we rightly predict what the price action will do. So we go into the market and we predict that in the next 3 minutes, if I click this 3 minutes, let me use $1 to show you as an example. If I click this 3 minutes, I'm saying that in the next 3 minutes, I am predicting that market will work its way downward. So if I click this button, put, I think my network, it's not peaked it. So if I click, for instance, I click put, now can you see I'm in the market at 0.58. Now this is my expiration time. Now if this market drops down, stays down at the expiration date time, expiration time, I will have made extra 72% on my $1. Can you see? It's not even 72%, 83%, because I entered the market with $1. Can you see? This is my order size. And my payout is what? $1.83. So I've made a profit of 83%, 0.83%. Yeah, 83% I made. That is what we do. We go into the market at a time. Now, I sold this market. I predicted that the market will sell. And can you see selling? So sell is coming down, buy is going up. So I predicted the market will sell. And can you see market is selling, it's coming down. So if I enter this trade with say $1,000, I will have made a profit of $803. If this trade clears at the end of this expiration, can you see it's trying to push up? If it goes above, can you see it has gone above? If it stays above at this expiration time, I have lost this $1. Can you see my payout? Can you see this? Payout is 0. Guys, can you see this? Payout is 0. Order size is $1. Payout is 0. And that's because market has gone above my entry point. So if I had predicted that market will go up and it stays up, at this my expiration time is when I know my fate. Either I have lost my $1 or have gained profit. So, but we don't just go into the market and just enter the market. We do not just do that. We use indicators and strategies to help us rightly predict what the market will do. Now, see this button? I clicked on this button just now. Can you see what happened? I clicked on that button that was here. Now, it has given me additional 3 minutes. That's what we call the rollover button. Now, the rollover gives you extra time. So if you go into the market for 5 minutes and you're not in profit, instead of you losing the trade, you can click on the rollover. The rollover will extend your time for you. It gives you additional 5 minutes. But I took the trade for 3 minutes. It's meant to end here, but I clicked on the rollover option and it gave me an additional 3 minutes. Now, when you click on rollover once, it adds 30% of whatever your order size is. Remember, I went to the market with $1. Right, can we see? I went to the market with $1. And because I clicked the rollover, it has made my order size $1.3. So if this market pulls down below this line where I enter the market, see, enter the market at 058, right? This is where I enter the market, 0. We use the last 3 digits. Please note that we use only the last 3 digits, 058, the last 3 digits. That was when I entered the market. Now, if the price drops down below my entry point and stays below at the end of this my trade, this is my 6 minutes now, I will make 83% of $1.3, which I entered the market with. Does this make sense, guys? So the new guys, if it makes sense to you, please write sense in the chat box. If this makes sense to you guys, please put sense in the chat box. For the new guys, if this explanation makes sense to you, put sense in the chat box. If you are new here and it's your first time, this explanation makes sense to you, put sense in the chat box, please. Type sense. I want to see sense. I want to see sense. I want to see sense. All right. That is what we do in the market. This is the financial market. We predict what the price action will do. If the price action responds to our prediction, we're in profit. If it does not, we're in loss. Now, like I mentioned, we don't just come to the market and click put or call. No, we use indicators and strategies. I was just showing you guys how we do it. That's why I just entered the market. We don't lose trades. We analyze the market before we go in. Now, watch this trade till it ends. If it pulls down below this point, below this entry point, we have made profit. But if it stays up, we'll lose $1.3. Remember, we went into the market with $1 and we bought an extra 3 minutes. We buy time, we bought time, extra 3 minutes, and they took 30% of our order size. Now, if the market comes down, I'll be giving 83% of $1.3, not $1. But if it stays above my entry point and I lose the trade, I am losing not one. I'm not losing $1. I'm losing $1.3. I believe it's clear, guys. So this is a broker. Like I said, the HFX arena gives you signals and teach you how to trade, how to take trades. But the trades are taken on your broker. So you need to fund your broker. Now, like I say, I like to say to people, before you fund your broker, please speak to one of the educators. Now, we have promotional links which we'll give to you to sign up with. If you sign up with the promotional links, you will get 200% bonus. Can you see? I lost the trade. That is an example just to show you how it works. I lost the trade. Remember, we don't just go into the open your broker and just click call or put. Call is buy, put is sell. We don't just buy the market or sell the market. We do analysis first. So like I said, before you fund your broker, meet an educator. An educator will help you get with his link, the referral link. You sign up with the educator's referral link, you get 200% bonus. So if you are funding your account with $1,000, you have $3,000. And what the bonus does for you is it helps you increase your leverage and it helps you grow faster. Our rule says you don't go into the market with, you go into the market with only 3% of your equity. So if you have $1,000 in your broker, you are trading only $30 per trade. But imagine you use the bonus and the referral link, and you have bonus of 200%. So your broker will have $3,000. So instead of trading with $30, you can trade with $90 per trade. It helps you grow faster. So that's one thing I thought to let us know. Now let's go back to how we tend to look at the market. Now let's look at some trades and make some money in the market, right? So the first thing we do when we come into the market is we look at the news, and we do the news, or we check the news through forexfactory.com. Now, Forex Factory shows you the news of the financial market. Forex Factory. Now, when you see a red envelope or a red folder, this means high impact news expected on this currency. The currency is AUD, Australian dollar. High impact news, so you want to stay away from it. Don't trade that currency. Now, when you see yellow envelope is good, you can trade, it's fine. The news does not affect it, the market. It's very low, and you can trade those currencies. But when you see red, run away from red. When you see amber, run away from amber. If you are new, if you understand how to trade the news, you can trade amber. But when you see red, do not trade red at all. So that's Forex Factory. The next thing we use is livechart.co.uk. It's called the currency strength meter. So now this website helps us know the strength of the currency. Now, please, let's listen very closely here. I want to teach us fundamental analysis. Now, if you see, Euro is the first currency here. Euro has 4 bars. GBP has 3 bars. USD has 1 bar. AUD has 5 bars. JPY have 1 bar. Now, what we do is we trade a strong currency against a weak currency, or we trade a weak currency against a strong currency. Either ways, you cannot trade 2 currencies that are the same strength. For instance, CHF is 5 bars, AUD is 5 bars. So AUD CHF, I wouldn't trade it because market will just be equilibrium. Market would be we consolidate. So market would consolidate. It won't go up, it won't go down, it will just be struggling where it is. So we trade a strong currency versus a weak currency. A good trade we can look at here is AUD USD. Now, we call the currencies as pair. Every currency is 2 in 1, pair, because you are trading one currency for the other, you are trading against currencies. So a currency pair is 2 currencies together. And one of my favorite pair is AUD USD. I like AUD USD. Now, USD is 1 bar, AUD is 5 bars. So I can trade AUD USD. Now, please note that for every currency pair you see, is written in 2, AUD USD. Now, if you look at it, I'm writing on the chart, right? If you look at the chart, AUD USD is the first currency. It's a currency pair. Now, the very first currency you pronounce when you call a currency pair is called the base currency. So I write it, AUD is base. Now, the second currency you pronounce is called the quote currency. So USD is quote. Now, take it to be this. Please, I need you to get this understanding. Every base currency pulls the price action upward. The currencies, right? The currencies, either AUD, either USD, their job is to pull the price towards themselves. So if USD is strong, it will pull the price action towards itself. If AUD is strong, AUD will pull the price action towards itself. So naturally, looking at this currency, AUD USD, price action will work its way towards AUD because AUD is stronger. That is fundamental analysis. Now, take it this way. Every base currency moves upward and every quote currency moves downward. So when you pronounce a currency pair, Euro, USD, for instance, this is Euro, this is USD, Euro, USD. Now, when you look at Euro, USD, please take it to be that Euro is on top, price action is in the middle, USD is below. Every first currency you pronounce on a currency pair is above. Price action is in the center. Then the quote currency, the second currency, is below. So price action will naturally go towards the one that is strong. So for instance, Euro USD, for example, Euro is 4 bars, USD is 1 bar. Naturally, price will do what? It will work its way upward. Does that make sense, guys? Do you understand this explanation? Naturally, price will work its way towards euro because euro is stronger. Remember, the first currency, which is the base currency, is pushing price upward. Second currency, which is the quote currency, is pushing price downward. So the progression is this. Currency one, comma, price action, comma, currency two. So currency one is first, is above. Price action is in the center. Currency two is below. So currency one moves price upward. Currency two moves price downwards. So price action is usually in the center of them. So do it this way. Euro all over USD. The all over line, or the line, the dividing line, is the price action. So price action just goes towards the one that is stronger. Does this make sense, guys? For the new guys here, if it makes sense, you put sense in the chat before we proceed. If it does make sense to you, please put sense in the chat. Let me see some sense in the chat if it makes sense to you. If you don't understand, please let me know. I would explain again. If this makes sense to you guys, put sense in the chat. I'm waiting for us, guys. If you understand this explanation, all right, someone said explain again. Now, for every currency pair you see, when you come to the broker, this is a broker, you see that there are two currency pairs. See, NZD, USD, USD card. There are two currencies in one. That is a pair. A pair is two currency in one, right? Now, for every currency pair, the first currency you pronounce when you call a currency pair, the first one is the base currency, and the base currency moves upward. The base currency must be bullish. It moves price upward. The second currency is the quote currency. It moves price downward. So it's upward and downward. Price action, which is the price, is in the center. So price action only obeys the one that is stronger. So if you have two currencies like this, Euro, USD, Euro is currency one, USD is currency two, right? If you look at your chart, I wrote it out. Euro is currency one, USD is currency two. You see this dividing line I put, Euro divided USD. That dividing line is the price action. Okay, let's call it, let's do it this way. Euro all over USD. Euro all over USD. The all over line is the price action. Now, price action goes towards the particular currency that is stronger. So if Euro, just as it is now, Euro is 4 bars, USD is 1 bar. Naturally, price will work its way towards Euro. So price will go upward. Does this make sense, please? Do you get this explanation now? Please let me know, let me know, please. If you get this explanation, let me know. Please let me know if you get this explanation. Yes, yes. I need you guys to respond on this chat. Some people are telling me make sense on my personal chat. Please respond on the what's it called, the Zoom chat. So that's fundamental analysis, guys. That is fundamental analysis. We have two currency pairs. We look at the currency strength meter. This is the currency strength meter. You check it. Which one is stronger? Which one is weaker? You are trading against the weaker one. For instance, let's look at AUD USD. AUD USD. No, I don't want to look at, I want to look at let me look at Euro AUD, for instance. Euro AUD. Guys, look at Euro AUD. Euro AUD. So let me ask somebody. If you know the answer, new guys, I need new guys to respond. Euro AUD, for example. We can see that Euro is 4 bars. AUD is how many bars? 6 bars. Now, what would the price action do? Will price work its way upward or downward? Please, new guys, I want you to respond. You can type in the chat, please. Let me be sure you understand. This is fundamental analysis. You must get this first. No, price will not work its way upward. Euro is first. AUD is second. AUD is stronger than euro. So price will work its way downward. Look at the progression. Every first currency move price upward. Every second currency move price downward. We are looking at euro AUD. Euro is 4 bar. AUD is 6 bar. So price must favor AUD because AUD is stronger. So AUD will pull the price towards itself. And as AUD is, see, look at it. You don't call the stronger one first. It's a currency pair. The currency pair is called euro AUD. So euro is pronounced first. The first currency you pronounce pulls price upward. The second currency you pronounce pulls price downward. So just because AUD is stronger, euro is weaker, and euro is the first, euro cannot just, price cannot respect euro, never. It respects the one that is stronger. Do we get that? Please let me know if you get that. If you don't know, I will explain again until you get it. Let me know if you get this. Price will favor the one that is stronger. Euro AUD is an example. Euro is 4 bars. AUD is 6 bars. What will price action do? Will it work its way upward or work its way downward? Please, I need response. I'm waiting for response, please. Downward, exactly. Downward, exactly. So basically, that is fundamental analysis. Now let's check one more to know. Let's check one more to know. Now, if you have a pair as AUD card, AUD is 6 bars, card is 6 bars. What do you think price action will do? New guys, please. New guys, please. New guys. Are you a new guy? Said new guys. You're saying consolidation. Who asked you? You're not a new person. All right, yeah, guys. It's the same strength. So price will consolidate. Price will still remain in the center. It won't go up, it won't come down because they're the same strength. But if we look at now the new guys, please, new guys now, look at this. We have a pair as Euro JPY. Please, what will price action do? Euro is 4 bar, JPY is 1 bar. What will price action do? New guys, please, let me know. New guys here, let me know. What will price do? What will price do? What will price do? New guys, let me know. Let me know what the price will do. Upward, good, correct. Price will go upward because euro is stronger. The new guys, are we in sync, please? Exactly, euro upwards. Are we in sync? What's his name? Man, I've not been seeing his response. Emmanuel, please, I need you to respond. Somebody raising his hand. Roland, you can type your question. You can type your question. Emmanuel, are you on this call? 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 I need to be sure. Are you following? You're not responding. You're a new person. You're not responding. Are you following? Is everything making sense to you? There's no personal session, to be honest. This is the personal session. Are you following? Does it make sense to you? Do you understand what we just analyzed? Do you understand fundamental analysis? Do you understand it? Please let me know if you don't, let me explain. I will explain. Do you understand fundamental analysis now? If you don't, let me know. I will re-explain. Trust me. Do you get it now? Do you get it? All right. So I believe he does. So let's check one more before we know what we want to look at in the market and profit from this session. So now, I want to trade NZD USD. Let me look at NZD USD. Guys, the new guys, let me know. What do you think price action will be? What do you think price action will do if we look at NZD USD fundamentally? Fundamentally, what will price action do? Fundamentally, what will price action do? New guys, everybody, please. NZD USD. NZD is 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. USD is just 1 bar. What will price action do? I need response. Can everyone hear me? I don't know. Nobody's responding. You guys, move upward. Good, good, good. Please, let me be seeing that. Upward, upward. Correct, correct, correct. NZD upward. Correct. That's correct. So now that we've picked a currency pair, remember, the first thing we do is check the news. If there was a news on NZD that will impact the currency negatively, we will not choose NZD to trade. But there's no news that is impacting NZD negatively, right? So we are good to trade NZD upward. Good. So now, once we have confirmed our currency, and we see that here NZD USD is good, I use this FinVis to validate. Oh man, see the market. Sheesh. I use FinVis to validate the strength of livechart.co.uk. So I use Fin, it's just like a confirmation, but this one is in percentage. Guys, can you see? NZ is strong. It's been a long time we saw the market this strong. AUD is very strong. NZ is very strong. Euro is very strong. USD is weak. Can you see the percentage? 1.32%. NZ is 1.21%. USD is 0. JPY is minus 0.002. But NZD USD is a good trade. NZD is very strong. USD is 0. So we can trade NZD USD. So this is like a confirmation to say what we see here is also correct in percentage strength. Do we get this, guys? Do we get this, guys? Do we get this, guys? If you get this and it makes sense to you, put sense in the chat. New guys, I'd like to take one step at a time. I know it's like I'm repeating things. The old guys are already bored, but please, we need the new guys to also learn. So if it makes sense to you, please put sense in the chat. NZD USD is good for us to trade. It's good for us to trade. We've confirmed the strength is good. I like response. Let me explain again, right? Now, this is the currency strength meter we used. I only came to FinVis to validate that what I am seeing here is correct percentage-wise. What I'm seeing here, NZD is 4 bar, so NZD is strong. USD is 1 bar, USD is weak. Now, when I came to FinVis, I looked at the percentage strength of NZD. It is actually strong, 1.2. USD is 0. So the distance is far away. So I can trade them because the rule says you trade a strong currency against a weak currency. Do you get it? Flex D, do you get it? I believe you should do. I believe you got it now. All right. All right. So now that we've decided I want to trade NZD USD, what I do is I come to my technical analysis. Don't worry. This might seem like too much work for you. Don't worry. The educators will do this for you and give you the signal. Right? The educators will do this work and give you, but it's good for you to also learn it. With time, you will learn it. Now, what we'll do is look for the pair, NZD USD. This is it. Let me delete all my previous charts. Now, can you see it's on an uptrend? The market is moving upward. It's moving upward. So now let's chart to get a zone so we can make profit of this market. The last 1 hour, we saw that market got to this point. I'll color it with a green. Don't worry, you will get this over time. You can't get it now. Don't worry, right? You can't get it now. So please just hold. I think Zoom is drawing line on my chart. All right, so this is the previous hour candle. This is, I moved the time to 1 hour. Can you see 1 hour? So every candle represents 1 hour. Every candle represents 1 hour. So this is the last 1 hour, and this is the current 1 hour here. Right. So now I move to the 15 minutes. Now this is 15 minutes. Now this is the last 15 minutes. And the current 15 minutes, they are on the same place. Old guys, you know what to do, right? So let me give us this zone. Let's enter the market and profit. NZD USD for a call, guys. So if market comes to this box, let me color it green. The new guys, don't worry, you understand, you will get it. So I'll write this idea. The signal is what I want to write now. The signal comes this way. Possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on NZD USD at the 240 area to, sorry, 240 to what? 211 areas. Now I explain what this idea means. New guys, please look at the chart. I wrote this idea there. I wrote this idea there. Now what it means is this. Let me put my broker so I can explain this idea. Now this is my broker. And we said what we call this NZUSD. So I come here, look for NZUSD, click on NZUSD, right? It says possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction. So I can come here and set my timing for either 3 minutes, either 4 minutes, or either 5 minutes. But I like 5 minutes. Then now I put my equity. Remember, you don't trade more than 3% of your equity per trade. So I'll just take it straight for $5. Now, what it says is possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction. Can you see it's already going bullish? On NZUSD, which we are on, at 240. So this guy needs to come down to 240. See, it's currently on 254. Man, I missed this. I'm supposed to have gone into this trade. It's currently at 251. It needs to come down to 240. And all I just do is click call. And I wait, and I will make my money easily. So we're waiting for the price action to drop down. If price action drops down to 240, let it come. If it comes to 240, okay, I'll take my first entry at 245 or 247, just to make you guys see. Don't go, yeah, don't go. Come back, so we can go in. Come back, come on, come back. So guys, that's how it works. We analyze the market, and we just analyze the market, and we will profit if market comes down to this zone where we charted, 240. If market comes down and touches this 240, on my broker, I just go in and click call, and I watch the market play out, and I will make my money easily. So I know it might come back to retest that zone. So if it comes back to 247, I want to go in. Sheesh, I went in my first entry at 247. Can you see it, guys? Now I'm bullish. I am bullish. 247 I entered is currently on 250. Who got into this trade with me? Guys, will clear this trade. Can you see my profit? I went out with what? $5. My profit is about $3.7 because I'm giving a percentage payout of 75%. So if I minus my $5 from this $8, I would have $3.75 as profit. Guys, do we understand? Market is, see, can you see market has come down? It's coming down to original zone. Remember, our original zone is 240. 240, but I entered higher just to show you guys. So I have entered one entry at 247. If it comes down to 240, I'll enter again. So I'll have 2 entries. So I will make profit from this particular market 2 times. It's currently on my zone. So the market can decide to come down. If it comes down to my original entry, I'll be going. 248 is good. If you enter 248 is good. 248 is good. If you enter 248 is good. We'll clear. We'll all make profit from this market. So if you enter 248, you are in profit already. But if it comes down to 240, it's better for me. I will take a second entry. So I can take 2 entries on one trade idea. That's why when we have our official score as 5-0, people used to have 10-0 because they took more than 1 entries. Right. So guys, let's watch this market play out. Let's watch it play out. Remember, it has not gone into our original zone. See our original zone. Our zone says 240 to 211. So anything inside this box is the zone. Anything inside this box. So I took my first entry just to show you guys. So if market comes inside this box, I'm going again the second time. Guys, do you understand how we took these entries? Do you understand how we took it? The new guys that are here, do you understand this signal? It says possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on NZUSD at 240 to 211. What I do is I come here and look for the currency pair NZUSD, which is this, and I clicked on NZUSD and I set my time. I set my time to say 5 minutes or 3 minutes or whatever. You see, the idea did not say 2 minutes. So you won't take the trade for 2 minutes. The idea says 3 to 5 minutes. So you can take 3 minutes, you can take 4 minutes, you can take 5 minutes. So I took 5 minutes and I put my equity, $5, and I just click call. So now, just to make you guys understand, call is the same thing as bullish. Call equals to bullish. Call equals to buy. Call equals to upward. So guys, different educators have different thing they use. Some broker has it as call, some have it as buy. So, but here we have it as buy and call and put. So we are calling the market, means we are buying the market. Can you see where we enter the market? I entered at 247. Guys, can you see I'm in profit and I'm clearing this trade? If you enter this trade and you exited this trade successfully, please put profit in the chart. Sheesh. I've cleared. I made a profit of $3.75. The new guys here, does this make sense to you? Let me see some sense in the chart if it makes sense. And you cleared, please put your clears in the chart. If you cleared those entry, if you cleared and you profited from NZD USD, please put your clears in the chart. We are officially 1-0 on this session. Profit. We are officially 1-0. Who took 2 entries? No, and 2 entry guys are not here. They're not here. They're not here. New guys in the house, does this make sense to you? I want to see some sense in the chart if it makes sense to you. Analysis don't lie. If you do analysis, you make your money. You won't lose your money. You see, market has not even gotten to our point, but we still profited. If it comes there, we'll profit again on that same particular trade idea. Guys, does this make sense to you? I want to see the chart flooded with sense. If it makes sense to you. Guys, that's what we do. We go into the market and profit. Still in. Did you take a rollover? Did you take a rollover? Why are you still in the trade? We have exited the trade already. Okay, you took 5 minutes as well. 5 minutes, good. You will clear, you will clear. We're in profit, massive profit. We entered the market at 246. And market is already at 250, whatever. So can you see it's pulling down? Guys, we're entering the second time. If it comes to our original zone now, our original zone is what? 240. Once it gets to 240, I'm going in again the second time. And we're going to profit again. Have you cleared? Let me know if you've cleared. We're waiting for you. Let me know if you've cleared. But the new guys, does this make sense to you? That is how we go into the market together and we leave the market together and everybody makes profit together. That's what the HFX arena is about. So we don't send you signal. I mean, we are doing it together. I am also going into the market. I'm also making profit. You are making profit. Everyone of us are making profit at the same time. And we are leaving the market together. Okay, please let me know when you are done with this trade. We've all exited this trade. If you've exited successfully, put your clears in the chart. Clear. I can see clear, 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 clear. All right. So guys, we are 1-0 on this session. And let's look at another trade idea. Remember the first thing we do, we check the news. We know the news already. Now we come to the currency strength meter. We look at the currency strength meter and see what currency do we trade. All right, no problems. I mean, you got the basic idea already. That's what I want you to understand. And this meeting is recorded, so you can come back to watch it again to have a better understanding, right? So you can leave if you understand already. So let's see what else we can trade. Let's see what else we can trade. Let's see what else we can trade. Someone is saying something. Don't really understand. What don't you understand? Let me know. Let me know. Explain, explain, explain. Tell me. Type. What don't you know? What don't you understand? I want to look at AUD USD, guys. I want to look at AUD USD. AUD USD for a call. AUD USD. AUD USD. Good. AUD USD is good. Can you see where market reacted the previous hour and the current hour? The same place. So I just need market to come down to that point and I will go in. We got a zone already. I just need market to come down to 996. 996 to 978 for a call. Guys, note that zone. Note that zone. We are going in for a call. AUD USD for a buy or for a bullish movement. I'll write that idea down. Can you see? Stochastic is ready, RSI is ready, momentum is just pulling up. So we need market to come down to this point and we go in. I'll write that idea out. possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on AUD USD at the 996 to 978. Who entered already? Hey, who entered already? Who entered already? It came down there. Who entered that idea already? AUD USD. Sheesh. That's some profit again. Who entered that idea already, guys? Who entered AUD USD for a call? I entered at 9. I entered at, what did he pick me? 997. Who entered? Let me know your entry point. 000 is good. 000 is good. Who entered this idea, guys? 000, good. 000 is good. 996 is what we charted. It got into our zone. So that's a good trade. 997, good. If it comes down below to say 990, 996, if it comes down to 990 again, I want to go in again. But I don't think it will come down now. But we're in profit, guys. We're in profit. So if it comes down to 990, I'll go in again. 990, I go in again. Let me draw a black line there. Where are you? So 990, touches 990, I go in the second time. I go in the second time. All right, let me see. Roland. Roland said it's not clear. You don't really understand. You can't understand at first. I mean, just your first time. That's why we are recording this. So you can go back to watch this. When you watch this again, it will make more sense to you. You watch this again, it makes more sense to you, and you will know exactly how it works. I mean, so long as you get the fundamental analysis, the rest you will pick it up, definitely. But you needed that basic knowledge first. All right. So guys, we are waiting on it. It's coming. 990, I'm going in again. If it comes to 990, I'm going in the second idea. I mean, sorry, the second entry. I think he wants to come down for some time and we'll go in. 990, I'm going in again. If it comes down to 990, let's see. If you took the trade for 3 minutes, you should have cleared. All right, it's coming. I want to take my second entry on AUD USD. All right. So I took 991 for a call, AUD USD. So let's watch that market. Let's watch that market. So guys, if you're in the trade and you're not in profits, you need to take a roll. You know how to do that. Take your rollover. If you're not in profit. But trust me, we're clearing these two trades. We're clearing both of them. We just need it to, some time and it's going to push up. But if you're not in profit, don't be sentimental with rollover. I said that over and over. Take your rollover. It will push up and will clear the trade. So I took first entry at 997, second entry at 991. All right. So let's watch this market. So my second entry is in profit. Waiting for the first entry. So I'm watching to see if I should take my roll. But like I said, no sentiment with rollover. Take the roll. So I've taken my roll on my first entry. So it has bought me extra 5 minutes. Right. So I watch the market. Let's watch it. If you've not entered AUD USD, you can enter where it is right now. 991 is good. You can enter AUD USD right now for a call. If you've not entered the market, AUD USD, please enter now for a call. Let's watch the market. We're going to clear. Market is trying to close for the day. That's why it's moving mad. But trust me, we'll clear before it moves mad. This is the last trade we'll take. When it starts doing this way, market wants to close for the day. So every, what's it called, will reset. Every currency pair will reset. Currency pairs will reset. Someone says he can't hear me. Can everyone hear me, please? Can everyone hear me, please? Can everyone hear me? Guys, don't let the trade go. You're going to clear the trade. You're going to clear the trade. Please don't let the trade go. You're going to clear the trade. Just make sure you have taken your role. All right. So I think it's from your end. If you can't hear me, I think it's from your end. All right. We're watching this trade. So we need some big push up. Let's see what happens in the next 1 minute. I'm not letting any trade go. I mean, you know what to do. Take roll and you'll be fine. The market will pull up. Take roll and you'll be fine. So market does like this when it's about to close for the day. So that's why you see all these very stiff movements. But trust me, it will break it and push up. So please do not let your trade go. I already took my first roll on my first entry. My second entry is on my zone. So I'm watching it. Hey, you cleared. Good. Somebody already cleared that idea. Somebody already profited from that idea. So I want to take my roll. All right, so let's see what happens. We'll clear this trade, guys. We'll clear this trade. Everything looks good. So please watch the trade. Somebody already cleared that trade. So let's see. So let me see what's happening with USD. Okay, USD gain 1 bar, gain 1 strength. Yeah, it will definitely rearrange at this time. But we're going to clear it, guys. Okay, we're going to clear it. So watch that trade. We're going to clear it. It will push up. Don't worry, it will push up. If you've cleared, let me see your clears. Just one person has said he has cleared. Let me see your clears. Please manage that trade. It will push up. USD gain 1 bar. It would drop down shortly and AED will pick up. So please manage the trade. I beg you, manage the trade. Manage the trade, please. Manage the trade. It's already going up. Who took a lower entry? The trade needs some time. If you took a lower entry, you should be fine. Should be getting ready to clear. This will be the last idea we take. Market is already trying to change. So please, let's exit this market successfully and we'll leave. We'll come back tomorrow again. I mean, as we do. I need this big push. Big push up. All right, good. That's okay. You're taking rollover. That's okay. Just let it finish. You must take 2 rolls before you let the trade go. Right, you must take 2 rolls. So I'm in profit on my second entry, but my first entry, I'm not in profit because I took it higher. But let's see what market does. I need that big push up. Let me see. I'll take a second roll on my second entry. Let me take. Come on. Push up. I need that big push up. Push up. That's it. Push it up. That's it. That's what we're waiting on. Push it up. That's what we're waiting on. Push it up. That's it. Push it. We just need some time. It will push up. We just need some time. Push it. Clear me. Push it and clear me. push it and clear me. Upward, upward. So if you took a lower entry, even our main entry will clear if you took 2 rows. I took only 1 row. I took only 1 row and I'm in profit on all the entries. Like I said, it just needed some time. So if this pushes up a little, I will clear. Can you see my zone? Can you see my line? So I'm almost clearing. I just need to stay up and I'll clear. Sheesh. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. Okay, that's fine. I'm in profit on 2 entries. So I need those 2 entries to just push up and I'll clear them. So guys, that's the way the market works. The reason why this is happening is because market is trying to close. So US is gaining some strength it's not supposed to gain. Right. Let me know what's happening on your end, guys. Let me know what's happening on your end. 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 This is the last trade we're taking. Market is already changing. And we're not going to take that chances. We're not going to take that chances. Market is changing. So please let me know what's happening. Are you still in the trade? Have you exited? Are you still in? I need this big push up. Let me see what's happening. AD has gained 1 strength. So please hold the trade. Please hold the trade. AD has gained 1 strength. AD has gained 1 bar. So please hold the trade. Okay, you're still in the trade. That's okay. Let me see. All right. I'm on 3 entries on this trade. I'm still holding it. I want to see what happens at the end of the day. Go up. That's it. Push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up. So guys, let's wait and see. Market is closing. So please, nobody should take any other trade after this. We're done for the day. This is not a good movement. So let's just watch it play out. But I mean, that's how market works, guys. That's basically how it works. We get an entry, we go, it has broken our zone. It's not a good movement at all. It's not meant to. There's no reason for USD to break the zone. So market is overturning. Let me see what's happening here. It is still stronger. US is still weak. So that's market reaction. And we're going to leave the market just now. So please don't take any other entry, please. Don't take any other entry. Just let those 2 you took clear. If it doesn't clear, let it go. So I've taken 1 lesson. So I'm still in the remaining 2 trades. I'm going to watch them. I'll clear these 2. I'll clear these 2. I'll clear these 2. Let me see what's happening here. All right. I'll clear them. I'll clear them. I'll clear them. All right. I'm currently in profit on these 2 entries. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. It's pushing up already. It's pushing up already. I'm in profit on my 2 entries now. It's going up already. It's going up already. It's going up already. And it will keep going up. It will keep going up. If only we were able to hold that trade. So I'm going to clear these 2. I'm going to clear these 2. Let's watch it. Reason why this thing took this time is market is closing. So please do not trade again. We will clear this trade. Yes. Somebody already cleared. Some people took lesson on their first entry, but if you held your trade, you will still be in profit. You'll be in profit now. So I'm going to clear this two. If I clear this two, that's it. I mean, profit of $8, profit of $10.4. That's good. So guys, let's watch the trade complete, and we go again tomorrow. Remember, we have a session 6 a.m. tomorrow. We have 8 a.m. tomorrow, and we have 10 a.m. So we have 3 sessions, 3 good sessions. So you want to take advantage of those sessions. Guys, before you leave, I need to know what's happening at your end. I need to know what's happening at your end. I'm in profit on the both entries right now. I took 3 entries, right? I took 3 entries, and I lost one already. The upper entry, I lost it. But I took roll, and I'm in profit. Right. And sorry, guys, new guys, you're not supposed to take trade. New guys, you're supposed to just watch. You're not supposed to take trade. Somebody has sent me a message that I took a wrong trade. You entered the wrong trade. You're not supposed to take trade yet. Please, if you are new, chat your broker. Just click the chat button on the, what's it called? That is at the left bottom hand of your screen. Chat the broker and request a demo account. Tell them you want a demo account. They will give you a demo account. You're not supposed to take trade, please. You only take trade with your demo right now until you are good enough before you can take trades. Cleared second entry. Second entry cleared. Let me see, guys. Let me know what's happening at your end. If you took that trade, should have cleared. I mean, if you rolled, I've cleared my second entry. My third entry is going to clear now. I lost my first entry. I'm watching this trade. I want to see. I'm not taking a rollover on it. If it comes up good. So guys, that's the last trade for today. And that is officially 3-0 on this evening session, on this training session. We've profited from it on this last trade. I mean, I don't want to call it 2-on-1 because we didn't lose it. We only just needed time. That's all. We only needed time. So, okay, let's say we lost 1 entry, but we're clearing 2 entries. So that's a profit. So we'd have official 3-0. 3-0. Okay, you did 3 minutes and you wrote twice. You will have done 5 minutes. So that's why you took a lesson on that one. So officially 3-0 on this session, guys. And that's enough. I mean, the new guys already have this knowledge now. They've learned this. So I'm glad about that. So with time, they'll get better. This recording will be up very shortly. I will share the link on the group. Please go ahead to rewatch this recording. It would help you. It would make you understand more what we have done. And you can join in the 6 a.m. session tomorrow. Please, if you are new, do not trade with your account. Request a demo account from the broker. They will give you a demo account. Sign out of your main account, log into your demo account, then practice with your demo account before, I mean, for a minimum of 1 week before you take live trades. Please, I beg you. Somebody already sent a message that he was trading and he went to take a wrong trade. I mean, we called ADUSD. I think he took a different trade and I think he has lost it. So please, let's not make that mistake. Request the demo account from your broker. Let your broker give you a demo account that you trade with. Then you can now join live sessions. All right. Okay. So guys, that's it. I broke even on this one. On the second, on the second entry. So I took the trade 3 times, cleared 1, broke even on 1, and lost 1. So guys, that's it for today. That's it for today. 3-0. So me saying something funny. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. I'll end the call now. Please prepare for tomorrow's 6 a.m. session. I believe you've gotten some value already from this call. New guys, I believe you got some value from this call. I believe you got some value from this call. So we go again tomorrow. We see ourselves tomorrow, and we'll do better tomorrow, right? So thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening.